Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to use hum to search songs on YouTube mobile. So let's get started. So if you want to hum to search songs on YouTube, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your YouTube application, and after opening up your YouTube application, now in order to search any songs you can easily hum them if you don't know the name of that song. Now in order to do that, just simply tap on the search bar which is on the top right. Just simply tap on the mic option which is on the top right and then select song. After selecting that song option, you can just simply go ahead and hum, and it will recognize the following song that you are humming. So in the following way you can also hum to search songs on YouTube. So that's it guys, this is how to use hum to search songs on YouTube mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.